fisheries plays a pivotal role in food security.
Itemi ria kurehe uthii wa na mbere wa bururi uria umanaga na utumiri mwega wa utonga uria umanaga na maria na njuui. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta augite thirikari yake ni yarire mitaratara mianduku iria gutigirira mieke mingi ya mawira nionekana. President arekirie miario eno hindi ya kuhingura kigomano kia Blue Ecomnomy kiria kirathie na mbere nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC na kiria gikinyetio ni makiria ma njumbe 18,000 gigitabarirwo ni bururi wa Kenya unyitanirine na bururi wa Japan hamwe na bururi wa Canada.
I make the pledge in recognition of the need to first adopt appropriate policies, strategies and mechanisms to harness the blue economy, to re-energize our national economies and to create greater opportunities and jobs for our people.
Mamwe ma maundu maria president aikeirio rito ni hamwe na kwetana na utegi utari mwagiriru wa thamaki, gutigirira kwina ugitiri wa kuigana maria-ini na niguo kugacirithia thoguri hamwe na kuhitana na giko gia plastic na kiria ni ugwati munene hari maria maturigiceirie.
Tondu wa mbere iria riri ni rirehaga ageni rikarehe tourist wona rerehe tourist makahota guka kuhuthirira mbeca ciao guku nao magekenia nigetha mikawa itwikagia na customer atua gaizera makao Mombasa nao makagia na andu a guthukuma andu aria matwaraga andu kuriria-ini na tutaru nao makona mbia.
Mitaratara ĩngĩ iria thirikari ĩgathĩkĩte kana ĩrambĩka ni hamwe na kuomba kamĩtĩ ya kũrũmbũyania na ũtonga wa maai-ini hamwe na maũndũ megemainie na ũtegi wa thamaki ikiharagĩrĩria ningĩ kũriũkia ũgendi wa maai-ini.
We've also adopted a program to accelerate the development of our fisheries by increasing aquaculture, fish processing and storage capacities and related blue economy industries, thereby creating employment opportunities for our people.
Atongoria angĩ arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie gĩikaro-inĩ kĩu nĩ hamwe na President Yoweri Museveni wa Uganda, Philip Nyusi wa Mozambique, Abdullahi Mohamed wa Somalia, Dr. Ali Mohamed Shein wa Zanzibar, hamwe na Dan Fure wa Seychelles.
We are still using crude methods. Unashika mwizi wa samaki, you just get hold of him. But we want to get smarter by installing surface radars.
Seychelles has been working closely with the African Ship Owners Association to establish the headquarters of the Pan-African Shipping Line in Seychelles.
Angikorwo mendekithia maria megukorwo makiuma thiini wa kigomano giki ni megukorwo magithingatithio ni bururi wa Kenya. Bururi ni gukorwo kimathira kimanjika gia ciringi bilioni 88 iria ukoragwo kiorwo nicio kumana na utumiri utari mwagiriru wa utonga uria umanaga na njuui o ndomwe na maria. Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV, kuma nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC, goko mucii wa Nairobi.